Have you got into a situation where you film something important and then once you see the footage on the screen, you notice some weird things on your footage? This can be due to two reasons, a dirty lens or a dirty camera sensor. Now, dirty lens can be easily cleaned using these two items. You can get these things cheap on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description. Most importantly, make sure you always have the lens cap put in once you're not using the lens. This prevents further dust from accumulating on your lens. Now, if you still find some weird things on your footage, that means it's most likely your camera sensor is dirty. Now you should perform two steps which I'm going to be showing you to clean your camera sensor. The first step is the direct method. For this, all you have to do is remove the lens and just use your blower to blow out the dust. Now even after the first step you still find those things. This is where you have to perform step number 2. For this you have to place your camera facing down with the cap removed, obviously. Then in your camera, go to settings where you may find a setting called cleaning mode. This is where it is on the Sony cameras. You may find it on other cameras as well. This will vibrate your sensor and get rid of all micro dust particles. Once completed, turn off your camera for a while, and if you still find some dust, you can now again use the blower to get rid of the remaining dust. Now even after doing both of these steps and you still find those weird looking things, then you know what to do. Just kidding. This is where you have to take your camera to a professional service center to get it checked. Now cleaning your camera is really important. Maybe you forget to clean and you have an amazing thing to be captured and you find this weird looking thing. It's really sad. So it's always better to clean your camera. So hope this video was helpful to you. For those who don't know, I'm Fenzer. I do travel, tech and filmmaking on this channel. So if you're into that sort of stuff, please consider hitting the subscribe button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you in the next one.